Hey yo, all week I've been itching, but I had to work. Simon Says Challenge. All these little challenges I've been writing down. Well, I haven't been writing down in my head. I got them in my head, so I'm gonna try to knock them out. Let's see what we can do. But the first one is a cold start. So let's do a cold start on the Cutlass LS Swap 6.0. Cold headers, no fuel pressure. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we got. Cold start, baby. Kind of started kind of slow. Ain't been started in a while. Can't hit that cam yet, but there we go. Cold start. Look at the gauges. See them gauges? That's one down. I got to keep it going. See what the next one is. Stay tuned. Tap in. Like, comment, and subscribe.